Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how you can install and set up Metamask on Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing you need to do is open up your Google Chrome Web Store extension, and after that on the search box you need to type in Metamask. Once you type in Metamask, next interface you'll be able to see an option as Add Chrome in the top right. You need to click on the option, and on this page what you need to do is, if you already have an account, then tap on Import Wallet, and after you click on Import Wallet, next interface you need to enter the recovery fees in order to log in into your Metamask account. And similarly on the right hand side you can see there is an option as Create a Wallet. In case you're new to Metamask account, then what you need to do is you'll need to sign up using your email address, and once you're done installing it, click on Get Started, and after that you've successfully installed as well as set up your Metamask on your Google Chrome browser. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.